Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to restore deleted Discord account. So let's start the video, but before starting this video there is a polite reminder, please like this video and subscribe the channel. Open your Discord application. Here you will receive the two options, register and login. Tap an login button. It will ask you to add your email address uh, and password. Once you have done so, then tap on again login button. uh, Tap on restore account option. It will again take you to a login page and ask you to enter your password over here. Then again tap on a login option. By using this simple method you can easily restore your deleted Discord account. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.